In this problem, I want to convert the given numeral into a numeral in base 16. So the number I'm starting off with is 5,805, and that's in base 10. So since we're converting to base 16, one thing I'm going to do is write out those extra digits that we have for base 16 off to the side. So I know that A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, and so on. And that way, if I need to use any of these, then I've got a quick reference here off to the side. Okay, so I'm going to start by constructing a base 16 chart. And I don't know how many place values I'm going to need, but let's start off with 1, the 1's place, and then the 16's place. And then I need 16 squared, and that's 256. And then we'll have 16 to the 3rd power, and that is going to be 4,096. And so I can see I don't need any more places after 4,096. 4,096 is the largest power of 16 that will divide evenly into 5,805. Okay, so now I'm ready to get started. And I'm going to start by taking my place value, 4,096, and dividing that into 5,805. So that's going to go in once. And I'm just doing this long division by hand. You can do it in your calculator. Either way is fine. So we have, let's see, 15 minus 6 is 9, 9 minus 9 is 0, 7 minus 0 is 7, and 5 minus 4 is 1. So I have 1 remainder, 1,709. So the 1 will go into the 4,096's place, and then we'll do our next place value, which is 256. And I'm going to divide that into the remainder. And I want to know how many groups of 256 are there in 1,709. So, see, it looks like about 6 times. And then I'll multiply this out. And that's working out. And when I subtract, oop, I did that wrong. Let's see. I just need to borrow from the 7 and make that a 6. And so this will be 10 minus 3 is 7. And then 6 minus 5 is 1. And so I have 6 remainder 173. So the 6, there's 6 groups of 256 in our number. And now I'll take my next place value, which is 16, and divide that into 173. So 17 minus 16 is 1. I'll bring down the 3. 16 doesn't go into 13, so I have 10 remainder 13. So the 10 is A, and the 13 is D. So I've got A, I've got 10 groups of 16, which is A, and then I have 13 left over, which is D. So my answer is 16AD, base 16. And that's how you do that problem.